In this video, I will be teaching you guys the final steps for the 7:30 workout. This video will be short, so let's jump right into it. What I like to do when it comes to doing workouts is using them in every way possible to make it easier finding hits. The way you want to set up this workout is by setting it up in rows of threes. You can still set it up in the original form just in case you might need help with knowing your numbers in the workout. I find it to be very helpful when doing it that way, but here's an example. Once you have your rows of threes set up, you will continue to set it up in rows of threes until you get the repeating digit of 730. Here's an example. And for a note, you guys, make sure to put lines in between your rows. That way it won't look like a bunch of numbers on your sheet. Once you guys have all that set up, you would then circle your date sum digits and start looking for your hits. And just to let you guys know, I do post numbers for you guys to play in the description as well as other links, so make sure y'all are checking that out from time to time. Coming up in the future, I will be doing more exciting things for you guys on my channel, so make sure you guys are checking your notifications so you won't miss out on the fun that is coming up soon. Thank you guys for watching, and feel free to comment.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.